Hello, children. Now, today we are going to continue with our chapter Mangoes Round the Year. And now, you can do this experiment at your home also. What is it? You can take a piece of bread or roti and sprinkle some drops of water on it and put it in a box. And close the box and see the bread or roti every day until you find some changes. So, as we have seen and we have discussed earlier, that in a few days the bread or the roti will start rotting or getting spoiled. Why does this happen? This happens because of growth of bacteria or fungus on our food. And here you can see in this picture that the color of the bread has started changing. So it does not happen all of a sudden. There will be small spots of green or black moles formed all over the bread. So you can do this experiment at your home and look, you can note your observations on the table. See for day 1 by smell, how was the smell, by touch, how was the touch. You can note it down. And on day 2, what happened, was there any change, what kind of change there was, and till day 6. So what are the reason for these changes? The reason for these changes is the growth of bacteria and fungus on the bread. From where did the fungus come on the bread? So children, around us in our environment, the fungus and bacteria are already present. Alright, they are there, they are always there in our air, in our surroundings. But what happens? Why do they start growing on some things but they don't grow on other things? So here we see that there are some conditions because of which, when the conditions are favorable, when the conditions are good for the bacteria and fungus to grow, they start growing. So number 1 is water. You need water, I need water, everybody who lives needs water, whether it's a tree or an animal or human beings. In the same way, fungus and bacteria need water. So first and foremost, see in this experiment also, in the bread we sprinkled a few drops of water. Why? So that the conditions are favorable for the bacteria to grow. So bacteria needs water. Sometimes we keep the food outside and the foul smell, the bad smell starts coming, the food starts getting spoiled, even if we haven't put any water on it. You know why this happens? This happens because sometimes there is water present in the air. Like nowadays we are having monsoon season, rainy season. तो आपने कभी अपने पेरेंट्स को या किसी बड़े को सुना होगा बोलते हुए कि हवा में बहुत नमी है. What is this nami? This nami is called moisture. What is it called? Moisture. Moisture means there is water present in the air. There is water present in the air. So even if we haven't put water on our food, because the water is present in the air, it helps the bacteria to grow, it helps the fungus to grow. So number 1 condition for the bacteria and fungus to grow is presence of water or presence of moisture. Second is temperature. So sometimes if we increase our temperature, the temperature in which we are living is called room temperature. So this temperature is neither very high nor very low. So it needs a good temperature, a room temperature for the bacteria to grow. If at this time the temperature rises to 100 degrees Celsius. Do you think we human beings will survive? No, we will all die. In the same way, if the temperature starts falling, if it gets freezing cold, then what will happen? Again, it will be very difficult for us to live. In the same way, bacteria needs a good favorable temperature, room temperature, to grow. If we increase that temperature, the bacteria will die. If we decrease that temperature to very low, again the bacteria and the fungus will not grow. So the second condition is for the bacteria to grow is room temperature. And the third is air. Just like living beings need air to breathe, oxygen to breathe, in the same way bacteria needs